Looking to save on your next vacation from Hotels.com? You've come to the right place. On the Offers.com Hotels.com page, you can find great discounts on hotels all over the world. It's easy to apply a coupon or coupon code to a purchase on Hotels.com. Simply find the offer that best matches what you're looking for, click on the Savings button, and a pop-up will appear. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you will be provided with the coupon code needed to save. To copy your coupon code over to the site, simply click the Copy button on the pop-up. After you enter in your itinerary information, select the hotel where you would like to stay. Then head to checkout and look for the discount code box here. Paste in the code, click Apply, and see your savings. It's quick, easy, and you just saved money. And remember, all the offers are verified, rated, and updated daily by our awesome Offers.com team, so you never have to worry about them not working when you go to make a purchase. Save money every time you shop online with the best deals, coupons, and sales by heading to Offers.com.